Geez, look at that, into that tree. On the other side of the tree. Are you kidding me? Shit. G'day, how are you today? Well, as most of you know, I don't really play around with the automated features on the my drones, the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 3, so I've never really used the active track and all that sort of stuff. Look, today it's a really nice day. I've done a bit of flying elsewhere. I've got a battery left. So what I'm going to do is go through this park here, and I'm actually going to use the active track and see what it can actually do. You know, I'll be very interested myself. I'm going to get the 360 on there, so that'll be above my head, so we got a view of the drone behind me, and we'll get the drone footage too. But as you can see, a bit of low stuff going on here, really good. I'm going to do it at varying heights too to see what we can do there with that one. But anyway, let's get to it, and have a bit of a look. Let's see how we go. Off we go, once again. Wonder what we'll do here if I chuck a lefty. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? It's gonna get around it, that's what it's gonna do. Oh, god damn it. What about here? This is some crazy shit. Oh my god. This thing's mental. What about this? What are you going to do here? Still coming. Damn. Let's have a look at this. What about if I hide behind the tree here? Crazy. That is mad. How does it pick those lines? Brilliant. Here it comes. God damn. Shit all around you. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now, droney? Oh, look at that. Going sideways. Why wouldn't you? Watch out. Watch out on your left. It's coming directly behind me. Unreal. Pretty cool. Now let's see what it does. Going through a few of these trees, shall we? Let's have a look here. All right. Through here. A few obstacles for it to get around. Oh, I wonder if I do that one. Still coming? Mental. Oh, dude. I say this is probably the first. Well, this is the first time I've ever given this active track should have a bit of a go. God, it's weird, man. Weird. All right, let's try a different mode, shall we? In this open area. Well, here it comes. Holy moly! Have a look at that. Oh shit, are you kidding me? That is brilliant. Turn around, see what it does. Unbelievable. Alright, so what's it doing? Next to a tree. Let's see if it avoids that tree. It'd be nice if it did. Where is it? I can hear it. Awesome. It's right above me now. Now what happens if I go back? Oh yeah, that'll follow me now. Geez, look at that, into that tree. On the other side of the tree. Are you kidding me? Did you just see that? What it did? Oh my god. That's just blown me right away. That has blown me away. Mental. Come on, Mavi. Follow me. Don't hit anything. This will be interesting. See what it does there. Still going. Kidding me? Oh god, this thing's mental. Hey buddy. Hey?
3D Mavic?
That's the Mavic 3, yeah.
3D.
Yeah.
That's a good job.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Don't even know where you are. Okay, behind me. Alright, it's probably gonna come around on my left, maybe. I don't know, here it is. There I Crazy speed. It thinks pretty quick, eh? Really does. Very impressed with the processing power of that. That is mental. Get back up there, camera. There you have it. The Mavic 3 on active track at a pretty decent clip. Really impressed with it, eh? It's blown me away with some of the stuff it just did, to be honest. I'm going to play more with that, definitely, over a little bit of time. That's that's mental. But I better land this, running out of battery. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed that. I did. I mean, everyone's seen it before, obviously, but not me. That was pretty cool fun, actually. I didn't mind that. So anyway, take care all. Catch us on the next one. Catch you later. Bye-bye.